Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you have access to the main menu, within the home page, in order to change your username, tap on your soldier. This will then open up your menu or your profile page. In order to change your username, just tap on the pen icon alongside your current username, and now you will be allowed to make your change right away. Just type in your desired new username and press the enter button, which will now save your username right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and make your change to your username as many times as you like. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.